Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Authenticator codes to a new device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app on your current device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to begin the export process. Now direct your attention to the top left part of your mobile screen. You'll notice a menu icon there, typically represented by 3 horizontal bars. Go ahead and tap on this icon to reveal a list of additional options. This menu gives you access to various settings and features within the app, including the transfer functionality you'll need for exporting your codes. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on the Transfer Account option. This feature is specifically designed to help you move your two-factor authentication codes from one device to another, making it easy to switch phones or set up a backup device without losing access to your accounts. After tapping Transfer Account, you'll be presented with two options on your screen. One says Import Accounts and the other says Export Accounts. Since you're moving your codes from this device to a new one, go ahead and select Export Accounts. This tells the app that you want to send your authentication codes to another device rather than receive them. Once you select Export Accounts, the app will immediately generate a unique QR code on your screen. This QR code contains all the encrypted information about your authenticator accounts and is the key to transferring them securely. The code will display prominently on your screen, making it easy to scan. Now grab your new mobile device where you want to transfer your Google Authenticator codes. Open the Google Authenticator app on that new device and use it to scan the QR code that's currently displayed on your old device. Simply point the camera at the code and the app will automatically detect and process it. Within moments, all your authentication codes will be transferred to your new device and you'll have access to the same two-factor authentication codes on both devices. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Google Authenticator codes to a new mobile device, ensuring you maintain secure access to all your accounts even when switching phones. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.